Card counting is a powerful method of tarot divination that develops your psychic and clairvoyant skills. Card counting allows you to develop a story and see how the court cards interact with each other in particular. This reflects people in real life. Card counting is based on the astrological and elemental attributes of the tarot cards. For the aces, we count 5. For the minor arcana 2s to 10s, the number itself. For the king, queen and knight, we count 4. For the pages, we count 7. For the mother letters, we count 3. The planetary cards, we count 9. And the Zodiac cards, we count 12. The astrological attributions of the Rider-Waite Deck are not well known, so here is a recap. The mother letters, we count 3. The Fool as air. The Hanged Man as water. And Judgment as fire. For the planetary cards, we count 9. The Magician is Mercury. The High Priestess is the Moon. The Empress is Venus. The Wheel of Fortune is Jupiter. The Tower is Mars. The Sun is the Sun. And the World is Saturn. For the Zodiac cards, we count 12. The Emperor is Aries. The Hierophant is Taurus. The Lovers is Gemini. The Chariot is Cancer. Strength is Leo. The Hermit is Virgo. Justice is Libra. Death is Scorpio. Temperance is Sagittarius. The Devil is Capricorn. The Star is Aquarius. The Moon is Pisces. Remembering these attributions will help your divination skills. When the attributions and numbers are second nature, you'll be able to focus more on the events in your client's life. Here is an example. To practice card counting, simply fan out a random selection of 10 to 15 tarot cards. Start with the top card on your right hand side and count to the left. Here we have the Fool, so we count 3. The third card is the Two of Cups. Then we count 2, which is always the next card. This counts on to the King of Discs. From the King of Discs, we count 4. This goes on to the Page of Wands. And from the Page of Wands, we count 7, which takes us back to the Two of Cups. We counted back onto the same card, which completes the sequence. This is a simple story. The sudden beginning, Fool, of new love, Two of Cups, when an older man, the Knight of Discs, falls for a younger woman. Page of Wands, which is reciprocated, the Two of Cups. While it is good practice to start with the top card, we can count from any card, and we can count in the opposite direction. With a bit of practice, all the attributions will become second nature, so you can concentrate on the interaction between the cards. Please like this video and please subscribe.